far the warmest morning. I'm so happy to see the sun, and we're in Puglia. And let me show you, this was my room right here. That's my bathroom right here. God, I suck. It's a late start today because I can't really check in until 4 anyway. So I had breakfast with the Pilgrims. Vito from France and the Dutch couple, Celle and Yvonne. Fortunately, the Dutch couple and Vito all spoke a little English. So most of our conversation was all in English. And when the proprietor was talking to us, I was the translator because no one spoke Italian. So that was kind of cool. Looks like I'm at the top. The last high point of the trail. I'm officially done with the Appenines. This map shows where my town is, and you can see the Appenines ending right there. At breakfast, I had asked the proprietor if she had any bottled water, and she didn't have any small ones. So all I have on me is my, 75 milliliter bottle for I don't know how long. So I'm gonna have to ration it out and be smart about it. Almost at the Cima, or the summit here. And then I'll show you Puglia, flat Puglia, hopefully. I can see the other side of the Apennines here now. I see Marcel on the trail. See him? He's right there. Go, Marcel. Marcel has to go it alone today because his wife is having a little knee trouble. So Patricia, the hospitalero there, arranged for a shuttle to come get her. There's a shuttle that goes between Celle and Troia, which is really cool. Anyway, so she's probably already there in Troia, and he's walking. He's about half a kilometer, maybe a full kilometer ahead of me. They're very nice people. Is Troia right there on top of that hill. It's about 5 kilometers away. But look what I found. First one of its kind, a little picnic area in the shade, grazie, for pilgrims. I'm just gonna get some sunblock. Oh, this was a pleasant surprise. Very, very nice. I was not expecting that. Oh, I gotta get my sunblock out of here. Here it is. There's 3 kilometers to go, and it looks like it's uphill. I think I've gone 17, and my feet are tired, okay? This is Troia. I'm not used to walking in this heat. Boy, let me tell you. I'm really tired. I think I have another kilometer to go, but there's the town. I cannot wait to get there. I just had a pain shoot through my foot that would just made my teeth hurt. So yeah, today I think was 20 kilometers or something, and I haven't done that in a while. So I'm looking forward to getting to my room. Room. I just had a shower and I washed some clothes, but there's no really laundry facility here, so I made a laundry rack. Sammy, this is why you always take rope with you wherever you go. You never know when you're gonna need it. I got the pants dangling out the window, but they're secured with some carabiners. Always prepared, yeah.